hey. Honk, honk. Hey. Oh, okay. Hey, we got good. Oh, yeah.
We did good.
Did good. But
You know, they allow you to record. One train. The next stop will be 116th Street, Columbia University. Stay clear of the doors, please.
the most.
Columbia University?
Yeah.
Now that is some good emotion right there.
No, this is the best announcement things, because now you can actually hear it.
That guy has.
Oh,
I know, right?
That guy has got some.
yo, saw? Because it went like.
Listen, these R62As are like that.
Ooh. God damn.
Did you see that? Did you see that?
Yes. What happened? Not here, right here. The LGBTQ train. Woo! Okay, now we wait to the.
That car literally bounced.
It went like.
Yeah, just like the train many colors did.
It literally just.
Scare the mess out of you.
Oh no! This is a Manhattanville connection. This is a Manhattanville connection.
Don't step on the.
Yo, this is a Manhattanville connection.
Step on
Wait, I
yellow,
think this.
kill you.
Wait, let's see if this bus is below. Oh, it's an NG from Manhattanville. Those are rare.
Having the yellow.
That car literally.
Okay, thank you.
That was crazy.
See, it fell on like.
It literally just went like boom. Like the body was about to fall off
Is
the
it
track.
here yet or no?
Nope.
It should
It should. Oh man,
at least in one.
Yo,
I see a lot.
It leaves from there at 11, so I should be pulling in now.
Yeah.
Keep on the left out.
Should be pulling in. It's 11:01.
Oh, okay.
We gotta find a window seat because it's all weak.
You know they allow you to record between the cars.
Because it's pretty cold and I'm freezing my throat.
Look, I'll show you.
My hands are literally freezing.
Kelvin, I'll show you. They allow you to record
Oh, no
between the
worries.
cars. I'll
Because-
show you. You can stop recording.
No, I'm good. I'm recording. I'm gonna record that.
Yeah, you gotta move back, guys.
It's
please.
gonna be my
It's
phone.
slippery. So that this is wet now. It's wet. It's
At least so you,
none of that.
Hey, Scott.
yeah.
I'm literally
At least if
feel
you're on the
my
concrete,
hands.
You're good.
Yeah, none of that snow.
If you stand on the wood, forget it. That's risky.
Wait, can you say something on this?
Don't
Or
stay
no?
on the wood.
Do not step on yellow.
Do not step on the yellow wood, please.
It's deadly.
No, don't step on the wood, please.
Yeah, but it's that.
Oh yeah,
Man, I'm
they
dead.
did announce that it's gonna continue to snow until the evening, I think.
If I just standing up.
Isn't this like the first time
I
it's
think it's
snowed?
gonna snow until tomorrow. I don't know.
Oh, bet.
Snow fight.
Snowball fight. I'm down.
Kelvin, once we get on the train, I'll show you. You can record between the cars. They will allow you.
Well, they open it. It didn't look like they had to work it on.
I did that last week.
I know you, but that's because people were in there. It's only the two that's in the front now. Remember, they had like extra people there.
I just left my house.
Oh, we're- oh,
Not once did it.
I think it's coming.
Okay, that's it. That's
it?
the thing. That's the
Coming
train.
in.
That's the train. That's
Right
the
now?
Everyone
Yeah,
get
it's coming in.
coming in.
Really? Okay.
That's the train. Many colors.
Train. Oh,
Phone inside.
Justin,
Flip it the other
tell me
way.
inside. Please.
Move back, please. Move back.
I am not on the yellow.
Yep, I see it now.
Yeah, I don't see it at
It's
all.
hard to see because of people in the way. You know what I mean?
I don't see it. All I see
yeah.
is blue. Honk honk. Is it? Wait,
It says one and it says special on it.
Nice. It has one of the lights on.
Okay. Well, one is red and the other one is.
I see it now. Woohoo! Honk! Oh man, we ain't got no front seat anymore.
Yeah, no, not coming in.
Um,
No.
Oh
I gotta
Jesus!
be at 12, yeah.